Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download install Microsoft To Do in computer. So how to download install Microsoft To Do in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the browser on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To download Microsoft To Do. On the initial display of the browser, go directly to the search menu and type Microsoft To Do download. Well, here several options appear. Select Download Microsoft To Do. Well, here you will enter the menu to this website. Here there is a button to download the app. And tap Open Microsoft Store. Well, here the download process is also installed. Wait until finished. Well, this is finished. Tap Open to open it. This is the initial display of Microsoft To Do after it has just been installed. Next, just enter my account or you can create a new account. So that's it, the tutorial on how to download install Microsoft To Do in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.